Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
When your PlayStation 4 shows Su-41350-3, it means the system could not verify or apply an update file. Act carefully to avoid data loss. This error appears during a system update when the console cannot verify the update file. Prepare a USB drive formatted to FAT32 or XFAT with at least 1 GB free, and create folders named PS4 then update. Create folders PS4 and update and place PS4 update, PUP inside the update folder. Follow the next steps to update via safe mode. Download the correct PS4 update file named PS4 update, PUP, and save it to your computer. Confirm the file name exactly matches the required name. Format the USB drive to FAT32 or XFAT and ensure at least 1 GB free before copying files. Create a root directory called PS4, inside it a folder called Update. Then place the PUP file inside PS4/update so the path reads USB PS4/update/PS4 update. PUP. Safely eject the drive when the file copy completes. Power off the PS4 fully, then hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep to boot into safe mode. Connect the USB drive to any front port. Boot the PS4 into safe mode by holding the power button for 7 seconds. Choose Update System Software, then select Update from USB storage device and follow prompts. If the update completes, restart normally. If the update fails repeatedly, choose Reinstall System Software, which erases all data and installs a fresh system image. Backup data beforehand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.